Hi guys, welcome to another one of Skylar's videos. I am really quite sorry for not posting for the past couple of weeks, but I'm back here again with a new video to show you. And before I start, it would mean a lot to me if you would press the like and subscribe button or just leave a comment down below. So today's video is a tutorial on how to get out of handcuffs. So is to show you, I'm going to put this for myself here, and I've got the keys here. So basically I can just use the keys to probably set myself free, right? Yeah, you probably could, but what if, let's say, you didn't have the key? So I will show you 3 ways on how to escape this situation. So if I were to show you, right, I'm gonna put this on, and of course without having to try to squeeze my way out. It's because it's technically impossible since your hand is bigger than your wrist. So we got to use some force, try to do this and make the handcuff perpendicular to the chain. Apply force to the chain. Wait, I heard something break. And just if you try hard enough, this is technically possible. Oh look, a broken chain. Well, I think that, yep. So I'm just going to, this is one way which you could basically escape a handcuff. So let's try another way with a brand new handcuff. Okay, so now we have a pair of handcuffs here, and this method works if you are not strong enough to break through the handcuffs using the first method I told you. So the second method here is to go around and try to lock the chains together. So once you see that you now when the chains cannot move, then it may take a few tries though. Then you just apply force and try to twist the chain apart. Okay, here you go. So this is the second way which you can break through handcuffs. And last but not least, there is a third way which I'm sure all of you are waiting for me to reveal it to you. The third and final way of escaping this is to not get into trouble in the first place. So stay safe guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.